My name is Msekwa Kabunga. I work for Mobile as a projects manager. Today we're going to be putting a couple of our AirNodes in one of our sites, which is at Kilimani. We're going to be putting it on Kilimani Block 4. Okay, let's go. We are on our way. We're driving through Stone Town, where we're going to be installing our AirNodes for the day. We're currently at the Kilimani blocks, and we're at block 4, where we are installing our AirNode. This is a power beam, and it has the range of 3 kilometers up in the air, which is sufficient enough for the area. There's a lot of businesses, homes, and hospitals and other services around the area that are going to profit from us putting the AirNode up.